Huh? What's going on in there? Look down? But a chocolate camera? No way! Say cheese, Mr. Apple. Wow, it's chocolate. I can't believe it. Cute statue. Upgrade. Whoa, it really works. Booyah! Wow.
What's up? Hello? Howdy!
Hey,
Cool camera!
you don't know what you're doing.
Huh?
Look, a chocolate challenge.
I'm going first! Oh, this can't be real. Can it? It's chocolate! I'd much rather have glitter. It's melting everywhere! Wait. Tastes pretty good, but I'm in the mood for something warm. Make that toasty. Wait for it. Oh yeah, look at that pull! It's like dessert, but a sandwich!
I could use one of those. Wow. Let's see. Now this is what I'm talking about.
I've got something just for you. I hope you like chocolate.
Oh, I do. Do your thing, bro. Go!
If you say so.
Yes! Fill her up. All the way to the top, please. Wow, that was awesome. Thanks. Hey, aim here.
Straight to the point. Bullseye! I've got plenty for ya. Oops, got your eye. Sorry about that.
Seriously?
That was sick.
Looks so good. She has all the fun. I think you should open in.
Socks?
Those better be new.
They're not that bad. I'll take this one. Doesn't taste like anything. Not good.
You didn't have to tell me that.
Wait, I think I can fix this problem.
Whatever. Weird. Actually,
Just one more minute. A couple of finishing touches. And I've got myself a new friend. Haha!
ah!
Oh!
Hey, hello?
What are you looking at?
Nothing, okay? Oh, you're too kind. You're making me blush. Oh, you want this? Here you go.
Look what you got. Hey, let it go. Come on, I said gimme. Oh yeah? Fine. Hold still, would you? Hear me? What?
I do what I want. You hear me? I'm so out of here.
Jeez. Anyway, time for a snack. Milk chocolate. What? Hey, what the?
I love you. I love you. I love you.
Okay, play for it.
Ha! I win! And I certainly did. It's a real candy platter, all for me.
Whoa.
I know. It's so rich.
That must be so good. Sugary and sweet. And for me, pizza! That's a whole lot of cheese. It's been a while since I feasted like this.
Do I smell pizza? How did she get all that? Excuse me. You know what today is, right? My birthday. Get it?
Of course! Just one sec. Good thing I've got this. Happy birthday, Sabrina!
And for my wish? Ooh.
Happy birthday!
Yay! Hey, wait! Oh, thanks. Wait, they ate everything?
Too bad.
Seriously. Okay. Hey, what's that?
Hold on, let's play a game. Can you pick the right one? Watch very closely.
Wait, slow down!
Everything's spinning.
This one.
It's all yours.
Alrighty. Aw, man. A stinky dead fish? Ugh, I'm gonna be sick.
Oh, wow! Eat up, girl. Come on.
Do I have to? Ugh. Oh, man. It's worse than I thought. Ugh, that's not gonna stay down. I need you! Now!
Understood. I'm here for you. Day-old fish? It's mine! Chop chop! May you enjoy your meal. And I'll enjoy this tip.
Sushi time! This kind of fish I like.
I've never had sushi before.
It's the best.
My turn! Oh! Well, this is interesting. Is it good? I mean... Oh, not bad. Milk time! I need my daily dose of calcium. Make that 3 days worth. Yummers. Ready to go for a swim! It's nice in there, right? Whoa! Did you see that? Taste test! That was so tasty! Did you see that? I was pretty thirsty. What's next?
Something spooky, I think. Do your thing! Ah!
What? What's wrong?
Down there! You see it?
I ain't afraid of no bugs. You're going down.
Get him! Get him! Ugh, yuck. And hers? Bingo! That's more like it.
He's quick, but no match for me. This mine?
You first, I insist.
Oh, a hot pepper? No.
Aw, just a bite?
Open yours. Or sell it to me?
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Fair is fair.
Aw, man. Really? This is gonna hurt. Hey, it's not that bad. It's not that spicy.
Ooh, rough. Wow, look what I got! Yay!
What'd you get?
I'm thrilled with mine.
Yum. Wait.
Is that a pepper inside?
Uh-oh.
Ah! That was explosive.
You aren't kidding.
This looks a lot like... Oh! Yep, it is chocolate. Uh-oh.
Is it stuck? Hold still, I got you. Hold on, let me think. Yep, I've got it. I just need my handy-dandy tools.
Huh?
Oh yeah. It'll only hurt for a second. Got it! Man, I'm good.
Thank you.
Want it? All right then. That's better. Milk chocolate.
Ow! That hurt!
3, 2, 1. Let's open them. Ta-da! Colored pencils. Whoa!
Check this out!
I'll go with magenta first. Why not? Does this thing even work? Hello? Not cool. I see nothing! Ugh! This thing stinks! Unless it's not actually a pencil. It's chocolate! Just as I thought.
Huh? These are chocolate? Ugh, tastes nasty.
Speak for yourself.
Not funny. Can't we trade it?
Trade our pencils? Nah.
Ugh, so selfish. That girl's going down. Such an evil soul should have an evil mustache. Ha-ha! How do you like that? Oh, yeah. She's perfect.
What's going on? What's on my face? Hey!
I love a good makeover.
Hey! Change me back!
No!
Rude. I know. Hey, I'll trade now.
Really? Okay then.
Time to get a taste of your own medicine. You like to draw? Well, so do I. I'm finally gonna be rich!
What did you do?
I'm too rich to care about you.
That's my money! Give it back!
Never!